dust devil. Dude, there's a trash. There's a piece of trash over there. Yep, going up in the air. Woo! Woo, woo, woo. Is there going to be another dust devil? Wait, I think it's stolen. Ah! Oh my God, it's windy. I think so. Yeah, it is blowing at this direction. What?
It's freezing cold.
Oh my God.
Maybe that thing on the
Oh my God, look at all the leaves. Well, now,
There
dude,
goes the cup. What's that, Popo?
Popo, see? Well, now it's getting, never mind. I take that back. It's not calming down. The storm is raging because it lost Fortnite.
Come on.
This is a big storm. Ow. There's gonna be another dust devil?
Dust devil, we call it dust ball.
No, it's called a dust devil.
Let's go. Back her up. Channel 11 News. Gage Peters.
Today we have a big storm and it's forming dust devils. Holy sh... Let me get it. I think Jalen tried to lock me out there.
Gage, what is it called?
It's called a dust devil?
No, it's the Channel 11 News we hear outside today.
Okay, let me do it. This is Channel 11 News. We have a big storm and it is very windy. Ah! And if we are under a tornado watch, it seems like this tornado is going to be very strong. If there is going to be a tornado, please attend. Do not go outside and... Ah! Oh my God! Holy... Dude, that whole tree... That little tree almost got uprooted. It almost...
Uprooted.
Yeah, it almost fell down. It almost got ripped off from the ground.
He said uprooted.
Or should I say, flipped off. There is. Yeah, it went from dust devils to strong winds.
So why don't I take showers?
Yeah, we don't have to take... What?
Look over there.
What?
That is something a big old freaking bird.
Oh my God, no, I see it. Oh, it's
That
getting...
big old dust devil.
Where?
Channel 11 News, we got a big storm down here in
Yeah, I know.
See that?
And
We have a tornado down here.
We have a tornado
You
forming.
better watch out.
Dude, a branch came off. Dude, the branches of trees are coming off right now. Like, ah! Stop. Oh my God! Holy shit!
Oh, Channel 11 News,
Yo.
the plant just fell over.
A plant
Plant
just...
just fell over.
And a whole water can just got blown away. And a candle. Wait, what if the whole trampoline's gonna get blown? Oh! Well, it seems like the wind is coming down, so yeah, you don't have to worry now. The wind is now coming down, so yeah. Oh, never mind, the wind is not coming down. The wind is not coming down still. Oh! Look at the rain. The rain is being pushed by the wind right now. Lan, I don't know if you want to be out here. There might be a huge dust devil. Yeah, there might be a tornado. Ow! Oh. Dude, it almost pushed me away.
It almost pushed you away?
Yeah! This storm is bad. if there was
Or
snakes in
imagine all
here.
the snakes in the whole entire woods go over here. From
And what if
all
then
over
some
here.
of them land on the
Every
porch?
single snake
Every
goes
single
overseas.
every single
and get
snake
dumped in the
that
water.
overseas. Dude, branches are coming out.
He's coming at us, devil! Yay, point the camera over here.
Oh no. Oh,
Yeah, I can say the Channel 11 News.
no. Okay.
It's the Channel 11 News. It looks like we got a storm out here, but it is going quick in about 20 minutes. But we may have a dust devil right down there, or a tornado, or we might have that tree fall over.
Dude, it's not
You
gonna.
don't know.
Dude, it's not
Anything can
gonna.
fly up in the air like
Dude,
deer, snake, rabbit, squirrel, duck.
It's not gonna.
Wind.
Hold up. It's not gonna end for a long.
Yo,
It's
I
not.
hope they carry all the snakes.
Yo, it's not
over
gonna
the
end
sea.
for a long
Next
time.
is You might want to put your bicycle here.
I think that's a lot.
I don't care about that bike.
I don't think this storm's gonna end for a long time. Yeah. I don't think the storm's gonna end for a long time,
And
actually.
this went like,
Yeah, and this candle when I go.
guys, you like a storm?
I kind of like nature.
It's only time to like it.
Yeah, goodbye, guys. Oh my God! This wind is crazy. Guys, this is the biggest windstorm I have ever seen. Well, now the wind's come. I don't know if the wind's actually calming down because yeah. Look at that. And it's dead Katie. Yeah. Now I'm gonna grass here. It's gonna get blown away if the wind's gonna come back. Come on! I wish there was more wind! What the? Dude, look at all the rain over there on the driveway. Oh my God, look at the stop sign, it was moving! The stop sign is literally moving! The stop sign is moving! It was just moving! See the stop sign over there? It was just moving. Well, it's moving again! See it? It was twitching.
That's safe.
Oh my God. And not like the viewers. Are you watching that on YouTube? Yeah. We're going to show our faces. Well, I'm not showing them TV.
No, a hot tart out there.
Oh, the wind's picking up.
What kind of hot tart is that?
Chocolate chip pancake.
Oh, y'all don't have no
Chunky.
cinnamon.
I see a dead katydid. It's gonna get blown away.
What is it?
There's a huge dead katydid. It's
What?
gonna. Y'all I can't see it.
Let me
Y'all
see your
won't
hot
be
tart.
able to see
Let me
it.
see your pig.
There's gonna be a. Well, I don't think there's any more wind now.
Yeah. I didn't see the stop sign moving. What y'all gonna watch?
Inside Out 2? Okay, I think the wind stops.
Yeah, I'm going with y'all.
Yay!
If y'all do.
Just if you do want to go with,
Good.
then ask your mom to go if she wants to go with us to watch Inside Out 2. Oh yeah, that's right, guys. We're gonna go to the movie theaters and watch Inside Out 2 because it is out right now.
Hey, come here.
Okay. What is it?
No,
I just noticed I'm barefoot.
Yeah, we're watching the old Inside Out.
What?
We're watching the old Inside Out.
The old one?
Yeah.
I thought we were gonna watch the new one.
We're watching the old one right now.
Oh, never mind, guys.
Whenever the rain stops, we're gonna watch the new one.
Oh yeah.
Jalen! I didn't have anything else, that was mine. Yeah.
Please. Oh my God, the wind is not calming down. Holy crap. The wind is not calming down. Well, I wonder why Mother Nature is so angry. When are we gonna see the new one? Can you? I guess we're never gonna see it. Because Clayton doesn't want to.
I tell you, I want to finish this. I want to go watch rain.
Okay.
What's
Oh,
the name of that movie?
the rain is actually getting pushed by the wind again.
Dixon? Hey, Siri. Dummy. Oh, yeah, I like people who do. Y'all need to go watch Vibration.
We already did. Yeah, we already saw that.
My name is it. My name is it.
Daxton?
Dad. That was it called.
Mac?
Dad.
No, it's Mac.
What name is Dad?
Which one is named Dax?
I don't know which one it says Dad.
I think he's talking about Mac.
No, I don't know.
Yes, you are.
Jalen, you know
Are you talking about Uncle Dan?
No. There's no one named Dad.
Sean? Oh, I wish I could see another dust devil. Oh my gosh. Well, I guess this is the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more crazy weather.